Hey, it's Faye. TikTok made me buy this. My niece actually sent me the video and she's like, Faye, you gotta get this. So we're here. I'm really excited because it's a built-in camera Blackhead section, so you guys are gonna see everything. I promise I'm not this oily. So many lights are around. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna shave my armpit. I just want to let you guys know that I am gonna be participating in a virtual makeathon. This event is hosted by Generation She. By the way, I'm not sponsored or anything. I just want to let you guys know because I feel like it's so important for women to come together. This includes all women, cis, trans, non-binary, non-conforming young people. They don't tolerate racism, sexism, queer phobia, and something that's important on this channel, body shaming. If you want to come to my session for 15 minutes, just relax and have some girl time. I'm going to be talking about some stressful skincare maintenance. It's going to be on November 22nd around 3:15 PST time. I'm not too sure, things might change, so follow me on Instagram and I'm going to update you guys there. So today we're trying this blackhead remover with a built-in camera. Kind of sad because you guys know me, I've been using Almado for all these years, but you know he's on vacation. Let's test and see if this device is worthy enough for initiation into our Linda fam. This brand is called Time Ciso to Miss Ciso to My Ciso. And it comes with 7 heads. They all have different shapes and sizes on the tip so you can find your perfect Prince Charming. As a winner, I chose a very ellipse oval tip. No discrimination, just cause I thought a more narrow one would just be better for my big ass nose. But you can choose your own. As you can see, there's so many like So I have my laptop with me right here because you can see. Okay, Faye, like, are you gonna introduce us or what? It's a non-harmful device. It has like new camera technology. So the top button is this like photo record button, which doesn't work unless you're using it with your phone, I believe. I don't know. You can connect this to your phone if you want. But no, I don't have room for sins in my phone. So, and then there's this power button. There are 3 intensities, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go hard. It's a tough nose to break through. It claims to absorb dirt and blackheads and basically improve your skin epidermis without stretching your pores. Oh yeah, it came with these 4 little extraction tools. I feel like I should have put this disclaimer out though. Gen Z's kind of scared. The best way to remove blackheads and keep your pores very healthy, untouched, unbothered, not enlarged, is just to exfoliate your nose and use a common face peel. But on this channel we like to get a little dangerous. I mean, we can't turn back now. I'm not gonna suction yet. Just want you guys to see. I am very oily. I'm not sweating. Just oily. Oh, as you can see, they're all clogged and congested and fucking hairy. The tip of my nose is where I'm most concerned. Ooh, that's a blackhead. Ooh, you see that? Okay, I'm ready. Everything's slipping. Turn it on. Oh my god. Oh, this is the 3rd, so the most. Get that blackhead. How am I? Just want to let you guys know that I haven't done this in like 2 months. I haven't done like a nose peel or anything, but I've been exfoliating, been using clay masks, and I'm still this. Just a disclaimer, these are sebaceous filaments. We did get that blackhead though. Don't know how to clean it. Maybe, oh, Q-tip? Okay, let's use a Q-tip in a little bit. Let's just go one more time. Okay, no, I'm gonna use a Q-tip. That's fucking... Ew. Ready, you're supposed to leave it like for 2 seconds only and then move, but it's kind of hard to move. Ooh, girl. Ew. Whoa. You know it's working when your nose inflates like that. See, I'm kind of clean. Some places. I'm not always that gross. Shut. What the hell? What the hell? Oh my god. What the hell? Where are you? I can't live there. Look at that. Oh, blackheads. Oh my god. It's still going. Oh my god, it's still going. Wow! It kept going. It really gave me a piece of it. See, that's the kind of bitch I don't want to mess with. Listen, Linda, if at this point you're not convinced to get this device, then you're gonna miss out on life. So don't sit there feeling FOMO at night, okay? This will be a great Christmas grab. Whoa there. I have so much oil, it's not even funny. Oh, this is it. Oh, oh, oh. We could feed a village with this. I'm like right in the corners where the makeup crease is, and you can't, it's like harder to get there. I'm gonna go over it one more time just to make sure. Whoa. Ew. And you thought you got it the first time. Oh my god. Ew, I sound so gold. Ooh, got us some juice. Oh, look at this. It's like, oh my god, what is wrong? Shut up! She really says slug. Look how big that is. God, you. It's not even like a smushy, sebaceous filament. I touched it. It's hard. It was hard. The girl was on X Games mode. I just realized my face was like this. I feel empowered. Uh-oh. We got a thick one on your left. Watch me wake up tomorrow with like blisters all over my nose. Whoa, uh-oh, another big one.
That's suspicious.
Why am I laughing? This is my bed, ew, gross. I feel like the center of this vacuum doesn't work as efficient and as strong as the edges do because the edge has that pressure right there. It's really causing that eruption and it's pushing for the best. My nose is really red, isn't it? It's just like all oils coming out now. Oh, I see it. I see. Oh, oh. Oh my god. Where is it? What happened? Did it fall on me? We're gonna close up soon because I feel like I got... Nope. I am such a liar. We're gonna close up soon because we're pretty much done. What I meant to say was we will be here all night, so I'm gonna try to end this soon. Grr. Ooh. Outside river tripping's all I do. Let's take a look at my pores now. Very red, less clogged. Am I right or am I right? They're not as trashed as earlier, right? I rest my case. Finally, 2020 has brought us something good. As you guys know, I'm always on a hunt for a new blackhead tool or a new suction tool. Let me just say, this is the most innovative one I've seen this year so far. Just 2-in-1. Highly recommend. Coulson Personal. And of course, after this, I'm gonna cleanse my face, tone my face, use some type of pore serum so it can soak and take in all the good things because it released all the bad things. If you guys want to see me use these very sharp extraction tools, this one looks like a freaking arrow, then like this video. Until next time, I'm sending love, bye.